Welcome to our channel. Shaurya Coder. Hackerrank. Solutions of the C language. Hello World, in C. Objective. In this challenge, we will learn some basic concepts of C that will get you started with the language. You will need to use the same syntax to read input and write output in many C challenges. As you work through these problems, review the code stubs to learn about reading from std in and writing to std out. Task. This challenge requires you to print hello world on a single line, and then print the already provided input string to std out. If you are not familiar with C, you may want to read about the printf command. Examples. S equals life is beautiful. The required output is hello world, life is beautiful. Function description. Complete the main function below. The main function has the following input. String s, a string. Prints asterisk two strings, asterisk, hello, world, on one line and the input string on the next line. Input format. There is one line of text, s. Sample input 0. Welcome to C programming. Sample output 0. Hello, world. Welcome to C programming. Asterisk code asterisk. Hash includes do.h. int main. Opening curly bracket. Char s, 100. Scanf, percent, caret, n, percent asterisk c, s. Printf, hello, world, n. Printf, percent s, s. Return 0. Closing curly bracket.